Majesty, only Paolo can take this and give you
a princess.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how I always have my nails done. I'm in love with this stuff. I randomly came across this at, well, not this one specifically, but I randomly came across this at Ulta. So it looks like nail wraps, and I was like, okay, I like it in theory, let's see if it works, and holy shit, does it work. So I found this about 2 months ago. I've done 3 different manicures. This is the one I did most recently, and I did this so I could show you on video. Oh my god, I just love it. It's just so beautiful, and they last forever. Okay, so the only thing you need to know is before you start, push back your cuticles and trim them. So you just want to make sure that you're pushing all that skin back so that you're putting the nail wrap exactly on the nail. I get these from TJ Maxx. The first one that I got from Ulta, just because that's where I saw it. And then I ended up seeing that they had them at TJ Maxx and stocked up. But I'll post photos of what these 3 look like. This one is the one that I have on now. Yeah, I hope that you guys get a chance to try these out. They have them at Ulta, TJ Maxx, Amazon, and they are just amazing. I've already told like everybody in my life about them. Let me know if you guys try them out, and I hope you guys like them.
취한 것 같아